I use YouTube Music because it has lots of songs. If it's a video, it's on YouTube Music. And honestly, I can just use my premium on both. I don't know if that still works. In order to access it, just click here. You can, these are all your playlists. You can look at them in your library. You can go explore, and of course, like it says, you can find new songs, or you can search them in general. You can use AI to find what music you want to listen to, and you can organize them to find a certain song. You can just search it up here. You can click on wherever you need to find it. Click on the artist's name to go to their artist. You can also click on these dots or right click them to open up their menu. You down here is your personal stuff, so you can add and customize them, and you can add to queue if you want to add more to the list. And then you can save that to your playlist.